Hi everyone, today we are reviewing these outdoor lounge chairs. We're going to go ahead and unbox them and set them up, show you guys what you get. So here's everything. The legs, you got to put the legs together and the pieces together. While it's not that difficult and not that many parts, one thing that I think the company could have really done was the company could have easily made this foldable. Like, there's plenty of room. They could have designed this where it's foldable. I think that would have connected with the American customers better instead of people, having to deal with putting the legs on. Could have easily been foldable, which would then have made this so much nice to put away if people want to put it away instead of leaving it out. Because even though it is coated over time, it's going to rust. That's just given over a period of time. With that being said, it looks like nice quality. We're gonna go ahead and set this up. All right, I have decided not to put the legs on. The legs are gonna take up, so for me, our personal use, we're using it on our back deck just to relax, to tan, to chill. The legs, and I wanna put everything on the side here. The legs are gonna take up way too much room because they're not foldable. It makes it difficult for me to put it away. We can put it away like this because you can adjust this here and you can lift this up and make it flat, so then we can actually slide it in here and not take up too much room. So that's what we're personally going to do, but it's very simple. You can set it, adjust the height of this. It's easy to put together, and we're just going to keep it down on the ground because it keeps us off of the wood decking, and it's great. So can have no problem. I like the back. It's very supportive, so it's solid. You can adjust the angle, so if we want to sit up like we are right now, we can easily sit up like we are. If we want to lay flat back, we can lay flat back. I think we can set it up a little higher as well, but overall I'm happy. Again, 99% of the people are going to put the legs on and go through all that. Honestly, unless you are doing it for show, you don't need the legs. If you're specifically getting it for your personal use, for your home, and people aren't gonna be, you're not carried, you don't care about the image, my goodness, my friends, this works just as fine. Because the padding is off of the ground, so it's not like I'm sitting on the deck. Now, of course, you can easily add the legs. That's no big deal. Add the legs, but for us, I don't want to have to take off the legs every single time because I'm not going to keep them out in the open. As you see here, I'm going to put them under our canvas, which is already cluttered, and I have a great spot behind our solar panels, so I want to run them behind our solar panels, which would take up no extra room. And putting the legs on, we can't do that. So anyway, the quality is nice. So the quality is nice. It's firm, but not too firm. It's easily adjustable. Oh yeah, so yeah, we can have it almost straight up. If we want to sit straight up, we can drop it down. We could drop it down like this. By the way, this is the table. And the table is actually great. Everything was great to put together and easy to put together. Again, it's just some bolts and that's it. But this is how we're doing it because that's how I want to do it.